of the things that I hinted about throughout this course is how efficient you can become in Keynote by configuring and mastering using keyboard shortcuts, especially for the things they use very frequently, like copying and pasting styles, like duplicating shapes, zooming in and out, and so on. Keynote doesn't come with a lot of keyboard shortcuts pre-configured. It comes with enough of them to get started. But since I was a user of Photoshop and Illustrator before that, I kind of configured my own keyboard shortcuts to to work for me the same way, so I don't have to have a big learning curve coming to Keynote. The way to configure your keyboard shortcuts is actually not inside Keynote, but in the System Preferences panel. And the way to do this is to go into Keyboard, click on the Shortcuts tab, and then start creating your new shortcuts. So you're going to skip all the way to the end of this list, click on App Shortcuts, scroll to Keynote App, and the way to create a new shortcut. So let me show you an example for something that doesn't have a shortcut already. So let's say Add Row Above doesn't have a keyboard shortcut. I'm going to go into my System Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, and I'm going to add New. And I have to copy the menu title for the one I want to create exactly as it is in my menu. So I'm going to go again and add row above, type add row above, and let's say I'm going to create a shortcut that's like Shift Control Command A. It recorded my keyboard shortcut as I was typing it, pressing it, and I click add. And now if I go here to format table, you're going to see that the keyboard shortcut is added. I'm including a cheat sheet of the keyboard shortcuts that I use with this course, so you can configure them the exact same way. You're going to go to Keynote, to the System Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, and you're going to add all the ones that you use frequently, like grouping, locking, colors, zooming, and so on.